Hello, social media friends. I'm Viridiana Marquez with DRB Media Communications Digital News, and Danny Barrera has the story.
Medical Center Health Systems hosted the annual Hospital Board workshop. Hospital boards from surrounding counties participated in the board training.
We have specific rules and regulations, legal laws that we have to follow, and so this is going to be a good refresher for us to make sure that we stay in our lane at times, and then that we're doing what we're supposed to support our hospital districts and our community and our constituents.
The purpose of the training gives insight of what elected board officials need to know when representing a hospital.
We as a board and with our CEO and our administration, our CFO, we have good discussions about our financial state and then also opportunities in the community for that money to come in to support us, and especially during COVID. Some of that money was directed towards COVID, and so there was opportunities for us to reach out to other entities and get support, and we did discuss that as a team. That is something that we all discussed and decided what would be best and what approaches. I think that what we like to do is to think outside of the box and not just continue to ask the taxpayer for money.
Due to COVID, many hospital training opportunities were canceled or training was done virtually.
So we've got new board members that need this training that have not been able to go attend a conference. Like when I first got on the board, it was one of the first things that I was able to go do within a couple months, go to a meeting and specifically get new board member training.
Several important topics related to hospital revenue were planned for discussion at the hospital board training.
Things like reimbursement, things like the CHIP program for uninsured children. We're going to be talking about diabetics. We're going to be talking about ventilators, COVID, of course, but just an overall update.
For DRB Media Communications Digital News, Danny Barrera.
Thank you for following us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and also at DRB Media Communications Digital News.tv. And for DRB Media Communications Digital News, Viridiana Marquez.